tell me if I am visible or not, then we can continue.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yes, sir, you are
Yes, sir, visible.
So now I want you to switch on the cameras, all of you, those who can. Okay, I'm only saying to those students, those who can switch on their cameras. I'm not saying it that it's necessary, means if it's possible then only. But please don't ignore this. It doesn't mean that you have to ignore. Okay, so I request all of you to please, beta, switch on your cameras first. You have switched on. Very good. Yes, I can see you. Now, few more students, those who can. Yes. 2-3 students, if you can. Yes, beta. Anyone? Yes, I can see Sarfraj. I can see Vanshi. No, Vanshi, your camera is off. Vanshi, your camera is off. Please show me. Vanshi Doshi, your camera is off. Yes, beta. I can see only Sarfraj now. Please, beta, don't waste time. It's not like we have to waste time in just saying these things, because we have to utilize time wisely. It's not like, because these are common things, no, it's not to be said again and again. You already know that, it's online lecture. So, yes, sometimes if network issue is there, then I will ask you to switch off the camera. Otherwise, if the network is okay, then please do switch on, because we want to know that whether you are sitting in front of camera, you are listening to us or not. If you are in physical classes, if you are in offline classes, so there is no problem. You are visible at our site. We can see you, what you are doing, what you are not doing. Yes or no? So it is a good communication also sets between us. But as you are in online, you have to follow this. Clear? Okay, fine. So now let's start with a prayer first. So switch on your cameras who can. Once again I am saying, yes, switch on and join your hands. Close your eyes and sit for 2 minutes prayer. Okay, everyone, and it is compulsory. Compulsory to sit for prayer. Yes. Okay, you can start your prayer. Start fast. Don't waste time. Then after we have to go for homework checking also. And mute your mics while you are doing prayer. Don't disturb. Yes, beta. Now you can switch on. Now you can open your eyes, not switch on. You can open your eyes and yes, now the students to whom I call the names, those students have to switch on the camera and show me your homework. Clear? Yes, and it is compulsory. But before that, let me appoint a monitor for this week. Then we can move forward. Okay? So, yes, last week it was Bhumi, no? Okay, Bhumi, well done. We have well done. You have the duty that is assigned to you. You have done it perfectly. Okay, and thank you, Bhumi, for that. And now let's move on for a new monitor for this week. So who will be that? Let me. Okay. Mahir Patel. Nishtha, have you been the monitor? Nishtha, have
No,
you been
sir.
the monitor before? Okay, so this
No,
week
sir.
you can be the monitor. Clear? For this week, Nishtha will
Okay,
be the
sir.
monitor. Everyone listen. This week's monitor is Nishtha. So everyone should be aware of this. Clear? Okay, fine. I am not going to repeat what a monitor has to do. I hope so that you do it sincerely, and whatever is asked you to do, you will do it. I hope so. Okay? Okay, Nishtha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you go. Now your monitoring will start from now. Okay. So if anyone is not showing the homework, I told you from Monday onwards I will be strict. If I ask you and if you don't show the homework, monitor should write the names. Clear? Okay, fine. So let's start with the first person who is going to show me the homework. So first let's go with Dharmanshi Charola, and you have to reply also. Those who don't reply, monitor. Okay? Yes, Dharmanshi beta, reply. Dharmanshi, show me the homework. Dharmanshi, show me the homework. Dharmanshi Charola. If you cannot reply through mic, you can reply in chat box also. Yes, Dharmanshi. Vian Patel, my laptop camera is not working. Okay, no problem, Vian. Yes, Dharmanshi, I am talking to you, beta. Dharmanshi, are you going to reply? Dharmanshi Charola. Dharmanshi Charola. 3 times I will call. If you don't reply, then monitor will write the names. Dharmanshi Charola. Dharmanshi Charola. Dharmanshi Charola. Dharmanshi, do you have any problem? Beta, do you have any problem in network issue or anything like that you are not replying? Dharmanshi. Dharmanshi. Hello. Are you there? Am I audible? Excuse me, beta. Excuse me. Sorry. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Dharmanshi, I am calling you since 1 minute. Okay. Okay, monitor, write the names. Dharmanshi is not replying. Now next. Who is going to? Yes, Kavya Kasundra. Kavya Kasundra. Kavya beta, I will take only 10 minutes, and within 10 minutes only I will check the homework. And if in 10 minutes, if nobody is replying, write all of their names, those who haven't replied. Okay? Because I don't have to waste time in... Yes, Kavya, why have you not done the homework? What was the problem? Beta, tell me, was there any problem? Was there any problem, beta? If you had any genuine reason, then only you have to give, otherwise monitor will write the name. I told you from Monday onwards I will be strict. You went to village. Beta, village means what? Means you did not have worksheet with you? You are not having worksheet. You are not having worksheet, beta? Even if you were in village, you did not take your worksheet along with, not only worksheet or books. You did not take your books with you. You have worksheet, then still why haven't you done? Beta, switch on the mic and say if you can. Yes, beta. Kavya. Kavya, reply. Anyways, for now, monitor write the name. Okay. I will call you later. Okay, beta. Kavya. Or you call me later and tell me what is the reason. Okay.
Yes.
Call me after, means in afternoon you can call me, okay, and tell me what is the reason. But for now, monitor, write the name, okay? Okay, fine.
Okay.
Then if I tell you, then you have to cut the names. If I tell you, then only. Otherwise, name should be written. Okay. Now next, who will show me? What's the time, beta? We have to see the timing also. Okay. Now 2 more students I will be asking. Lisa Gadara, yes, Lisa, better reply. Lisa, show me your homework. I am always telling you to complete the worksheets after reading the textbook. And complete means I tell you to try to solve the worksheet. I am not saying that it should be perfect, your answer should be, every answer should be written. I am not saying that. At least how much you can try. I am always telling you to give it a try. Okay, that's what I want. I'm not saying beta everything should be complete, point to point should be complete. That I'm not saying. I just told you to just try it out. That's it. If this much also you cannot do, then beta in future what you will do if you're alone? Yes or no? Today teachers are there with you, teachers will help you. Now when you will be in colleges, teachers will not help you, you have to do it by your own. You are in 8th standard means okay, even after the chapter I am giving you the PDF, no, but in college and all, teachers won't give anything, you have to do it by yourself only. Teachers will not do, they will come and teach only, that's it, in college and all. So at that time you have to do it by yourself. This is, now you are in 8th standard, so we are there to help you, we provide you the answers also later, okay. That's why we are giving a chance for you to try it out by yourself. Means then only you will learn, no? Otherwise when you will learn? Yes or no? That's why. For making you to run your brain, okay, to think, okay, to develop your mind, to practice in thinking, that is the reason why we are giving you the homework to do it by your own first. Yes or no? So it is compulsory. Yes, Dharmanshi, no. Which name I called? I called which name? Dharmanshi, no? I think so. No. Which name did I call?
Sir, you call Lisa. Sir, Lisa.
Acha, Lisa. Lisa is not there, left. Lisa Gadara, why don't you reply? Better reply. Now this is the last time I am calling your name. Lisa, are you going to reply? If you are not replying, then monitor will write the name. Yes, sir. Lisa has replied. Yes, sir. Yes, Lisa. What is the problem? Please show me the homework if you are done. Or you also have any reason. Lisa, beta fast. We don't have time to waste. We have to complete the chapter also. There are still more chapters. There is some network issues because of rain. Okay, beta, I can understand. Even here also there is lot. The rain is continuously going on. Still I am managing with the Wi-Fi. Okay. Yes, beta, anyhow reply in chat box if you cannot reply, if you cannot show. Have you done the homework? Just tell me that. Just tell me if you have done the homework. And if you are done, then you have to send me later through WhatsApp. Okay. There is no excuse. I want to see your homework. Okay, if you cannot switch on the camera, no problem. But I want you to send it through WhatsApp and it is compulsory. Clear? Not now, after the lecture. After the lecture, not now. Don't send now because now class is going on. Okay? So beta, I think there is network issue from your side because you already said you have network issue. That's why it might be cutting. Okay, no problem. Yes, now one more student I want to show the homework. Then after we can continue our class. Mahir
So
Patel.
can I show?
Wait a minute. Let's see if Mahir is replying or not. Mahir, who is this new student? I have never seen this Mahir Patel. Who is this? Beta, what's your name? Is it
Sir, it's
Mahir?
Vian.
So it's
Huh?
Vian Patel.
Acha, Vian Patel. Okay, fine. Yes, Vian, show me your homework. If acha, you are having some network issue, no? Okay. You have already said you are having network issue, no? No problem. If you are having camera problem or network issue, show me your homework. Send me through WhatsApp. Vian. And reply in chat box, beta. Reply in chat box. Vian. You have to send me through WhatsApp. Clear? Okay. So who will send me through WhatsApp today? 2 students I have said. One is Vian and one is Lisa. So Lisa and Vian, I will check your homework after the class. If you are not sent in WhatsApp, then okay, I will tell monitor to write the name. Okay, now as of now, don't write the name, beta. If they don't send in WhatsApp, then only I will call and tell you to write the name. Clear? Okay, no problem. So now last,
Okay, sir.
now Neha can show me. Neha, show me your homework.
Yes,
beta.
sir.
Switch on the camera. And show me your books, worksheet, textbook, notebook, everything you have to show on camera, whether you have or not. Yes, Neha. Yes, beta. Very good. Good. Yes. Why? Show me that last question. Mention different types of activities of tribal groups. What is the answer you have written? They did. Please hold the paper. It is, hold the paper with your hand. They did. What is that? Can you zoom it? Can you go little nearer to the can you put your camera nearer? Yes, they did shifting cultivation. Then what is that? Yes, hunting of animals. Then collect. They collect forest. Then what it is written? They collect forest produce and sell in the market or exchange exchanged with. Then what it is written? Or exchange, not exchanged. Okay, exchange it with other tribal groups. Clear? This is how you have to write. Okay, very good, beta. Good. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Show me the next page if you have done. In worksheet. Okay, good. Very well. Very good, Neha. Okay, good attempt. Okay, now you can switch off. Now you can switch off the camera. Okay, beta. Okay, very good. So that's it. Now 2 students will send me through WhatsApp. Okay, remember, Vian Patel and Lisa Gadara. I will check your homework. If you don't send, then I will tell Nishtha to write the name. Okay, fine. So that's it, beta. That's it for today. Now tomorrow I will check the homework of other students. Okay, good. So this way every day 10 minutes I will be checking the homework, then only we will continue. Okay, because it is compulsory, otherwise how would I come to know you are doing or not? Okay, fine. So now let's start. Where were we, beta? Now who will tell me? And you have to reply also, okay? Those who are not replying, their names also should be written. Nishtha. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Let's continue. Okay, fine. Beta, tell me where were we, beta? From where we have to start? Who will say? Who will
Sir, we
say?
have to start from page number 43. Some took to settle cultivation.
Good. Page number, once again.
43.
Some took to settle cultivation. Okay, good. 43. Yes. So this is what we are going to see. Some were hunters and gatherers. That is done. Okay. Now I told you to read page number 42. That pink box that is given, entire pink box. I don't know how many of you have read. If you have read, then randomly I might ask you what you have understood by that. Okay, not now, later. Okay, okay, fine. Now let's start. Some took settled cultivation. Now In 19th century, many from the tribal groups had begun settling down and cultivating their fields in one place year after year. Okay, means they have they have got this habit of this shifting cultivation, because it was took so seriously by the people, because as they already were knowing, okay, they knew the method of the shifting cultivation. Many tribal peoples were already up to this shifting cultivation. Yes or no? As we have already seen, what is shifting cultivation, how does it take place, and what is the importance of that. Okay, what is it then? What is how do they plan in the shifting cultivation? How is the process of shifting cultivation? That also we have already seen. Okay, now I am not repeating it. I hope that you understood. Now, they began to use the plow and gradually got rights over the land they lived in. Now, do you know plow? Because for digging the earth surface, they use a plow, no? Yes, you might have seen plow used by the farmers. How many of you have seen? Yes or no? If you have seen, tell me yes or no if you have seen that.
Yes, sir. No,
So
sir.
that is, you have not seen plow. Better that farmers use, no, like to dig that
No, sir.
surface of the earth at the time of agriculture. At the time of cultivation. So that is plow. So they began to use the plow and gradually got rights over the land and they lived in. In many cases, Mundas of Chota Nagpur, the land belonged to the clan as a whole. All members of clan were regarded as descendants of the original settlers who had first cleared the land. All of them had rights on the land. Means what is the thing that we should understand in this paragraph is, or in this topic, is that all the farmers or all the cultivators, or say like tribal people, those who were doing the cultivation, they had they had a role, or they had rights over using the agricultural land, of ploughing, of taking out the method of shifting cultivation. Now there is nothing needed to ask to someone and then to do. No. Okay, they got the rights over their land. Whatever land they have utilized for these kind of agricultural activities. Okay, they did not have, so they had the right to do all the activities as much as they can in the agricultural field. Okay, so this is what you need to understand in this topic. What is that? They got the rights. Yes or no? They got the rights. That is what. Now, very often some people within the clan acquired more power than others. Some became chief and others followers. Now they were getting a power. Okay, as they had the right to use their own land. That means they are getting a power. Yes or no? A power is being given. Means they have been they have been settled for that. They have their own land. It means they are having a power in them. Power in them means not, I am not talking about attitude. Okay, it's not about attitude. Means they have a, what we can say, something. If you have something, okay, so means you can claim, no, that is mine. If you have something different, if you have a car, means you can claim, no, yeah, it's mine. So that kind of. Okay, I am not saying about attitude. Attitude is very bad thing. I am not talking about attitude. But you can claim, no, so if someone asks you that, is this your car? So you will say, yeah, this is mine. So no, so that way. So if they are actually owning the land, they have a rights to use their land. That means they have that power in them. So no, they are bound to say that this is our land and we can use it. We can use it as anyhow we can, and we can implement the different methods of agriculture, or say like shifting cultivation. Easily they can do it. Yes or no? Because they are coming from with whose inspiration they have come? With the inspiration of, yes, whose inspiration? Can anyone say? With whose inspiration they have come? The farmers or the tribal people? With whose inspiration?
Birsa Munda.
Yes, very good, very good. Who said that? Nishtha. Yes. So they
Yes.
already have that. They already have that a demigod in them. Yes or no? We call it as a demigod. So they are considering him as their own demigod. Why? Because that kind of a power or that kind of respect what they have on Birsa Munda, they can use it anywhere. So that is what the reason I said that whatever land they are working in, they tend to say, or they are able to say that yeah, it's their own land. Okay. Now, British officials settled tribal groups like Gonds and Santals as more civilized than hunter-gatherers or shifting cultivators. Okay, what British officials saw, okay, as they were already in India, so no, as they were already in India, and they saw certain things what these tribal people are doing. Okay, so British officials saw that tribal groups like Gonds, there are different tribal groups as you already know. So among them, Gonds and Santals are more civilized. Okay, they are more civilized and than the hunter gatherers or shifting cultivators. Now, do you know what do you mean by that? What do you mean by civilized? Do you know? They are more civilized than the hunters and gatherers. Do you know, beta?
More developed.
Anybody? Yes, we can say like they are having a cultural development, cultural plus social and cultural development. That is what considered as being civilized. So British officials saw a difference between the hunters and gatherers plus the tribal groups. So they saw the tribal groups were socially and culturally developed as compared to the hunters and gatherers or the shifting cultivators. Okay, now those who lived in the forest were considered to be wild and savage. They needed to be settled and civilized. So whatever tribal groups or whosoever tribal groups or whichever tribal groups we can say, okay, whichever tribal groups lived in certain villages or like forest, we can say. Forest would be better to say because we are learning about tribal people. So whichever cultivators or whoever lived in forest were considered to be which kind of people? They were very wild, they were savage. Okay, means they had their own route, they had their own method. Okay, so these are the things as observed by the British people considering the tribal groups. So is it clear? Up till this clear?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now we are going to now we are going to see the last topic. Okay, what is that last topic? I hope that up till here everything is clear. Do you have any doubt up till here?
No
Up
doubt.
till here,
No,
anybody
sir.
has any doubt? If you have, then ask now. Ask now. I am giving you time. Do you have? Anybody else?
No.
No doubt, no? Okay, then no doubt, sir. Okay, fine, good. So if you don't have, then I hope that you have understood. Okay, fine. So now let's continue. Let's continue. So this is the last topic. How did colonial rule affect the tribal lives? So up till now you understood what all things you understood about the tribal groups, who are the tribal groups. Okay, how do they live? How do they survive? Okay. Then we have seen about who are the hunters and gatherers, and what are the difference in the hunters and gatherers plus the tribal groups. Okay, and how how did they develop the Jhum cultivation, or we can say the shifting cultivation, and what is the importance of shifting cultivation in the lives of the tribal groups. Okay, this we have seen, and then we have seen that some herded animals, how did they herd and reared the animals those who were helpful to them. So no, how did they manage in cattle and rearing of the animals? Cattle and rearing, understood? What do you mean by cattle and rearing? Hello?
To
Yes,
take
beta?
care of animals.
Yeah, this has already been discussed in the last class, I think so, but still, just generally I asked. Okay, fine. So, and then some took to settle the cultivation. How did they settle their cultivation, and how did they have a trust on themselves, or with the inspiration of Birsa Munda, how can they settle their own cultivation as agriculture land as their own? How can they say, or how can they settle their cultivation or their agricultural activities? How can they settle themselves? This is what. So up till this we have seen. Now the next topic, that is, how did the colonial rule affect? Do you remember the third point which I at the time of introduction I said? How did the colonial rule affect the tribal activities? This is what we are going to see today. Now, okay, so that is very important. So everyone's concentration should be here. This is very important topic. Okay, it's very important for you to understand this, that how the Britishers or rule or British rule affect the tribal communities. Let's see. Finally, the tribal groups in different parts of the country rebelled against the changes in laws, the restrictions on their practice, the exploitation by traders and moneylenders, etc. Okay, the movement that Birsa Munda led is worth mentioning here. Now, we need to understand, before the arrival of British, in many areas, the tribal chiefs were important people. So, who were considered to be as very important people? I told you, there are tribal groups. Okay, there are various groups, and you have already seen in as per the location in India, you have already seen there are various groups that are located in different parts of India. Yes or no? So they are considered to be, or they are said to be as different tribal groups. Now, each tribal group has a chief. Chief means, understand, the head of them. Okay, so that tribal chief is considered to be very important part. Okay. In many areas, tribal chiefs were important people. What did they do? They enjoyed a certain amount of economic power and had the right to administer and control their territories. So, who are these tribal chiefs? What are their duties, or what were their concerns? What do they used to do? Who are the tribal chiefs? What are the tribal chiefs? What did they do? They have the right to control. Yes or no? Or they have the right to control or administer their territories. Territories means areas. So here we are considering about which territories? We are considering the territories of the tribal group of people. So whatever territories or whichever area they covered, that particular area, so who has the right to administer them? Who has the right to control them? Yes. Who has the right to control them?
Tribal chief.
Yes, the tribal chiefs. Tribal chief. I am writing it on the board so that this point can be fit and in your mind. Tribal chiefs administer and control the territories. Can you see till here? Can you see this side? Is it possible to see?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Or shall I zoom it? Okay. Tribal chiefs administer and control the territories. Okay. Territories of what? Territories of tribal groups. Clear? Then, under British rule, the functions and powers of tribal chiefs changed considerably. Yes, this is what we need to know. the functions and powers of tribal chiefs changed. The functions and powers of tribal chiefs changed as per the colonial rule or British rule. Yes or no? What changed? The functions and powers of the tribal chiefs changed as per the colonial rule. This is also one point that you need to understand in this topic. Okay. Then they were allowed to keep their land titles over a cluster of villages and rent out lands, but they lost much of their administrative power and were forced to follow laws made by British officials. Yes, this is very, very important. What was the first step of the British rule? Or what was the first rule, we can say, in the sense? Means what was the first step that they have considered? By whom? In the colonial system. What was the first step? That is what I am going to write. The third point is very, very important. Okay, I am ticking it here. I am just putting a tick mark here. Why? Because this is considered to be the first step of their, the change of their power. Okay. What is that? They were allowed to keep land titles, okay, and yes, they were allowed to rent out the lands. What is that? Means the people, those who own the land, okay, they were allowed to put the land title, okay, they were allowed to put the give a name to their land. That's okay, fine, okay, but they were also allowed to rent out the lands. The rent out means to give the land on lease, like that way. Okay, to give the land on lease means they can give the land as a rented. Okay, they can keep the land as rented, means anybody can use their land, but for that they need to give money if somebody is using your land for agricultural purpose. So, but what they have to do? They have to give them money. So that is what rented means. So they are keeping the land as rented. So that also was allowed, but then the change happens. But they lost much of their administrative power. Okay, so I am writing it in short. If they, no, not if they were allowed to rent out their lands, but they were allowed to rent out. See, this is N, okay, rent out their lands, but what happened? They were allowed to rent out their lands, but they were forced to follow. They were forced to follow the rules and regulations. Not follow the rules. They were, yes, the rules and regulations as made by the British officials. Rules as made by the, can you see I am writing here, as made by the British officials. Beta, these points are very important. You need to write down. Officials. Clear? Yes. Write down these points. Very, very important. Is it visible up till here? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
These are very important points from this topic. Write it down. Strictly I am saying you need to write down this in your fair notebook when you start this chapter. These points should be written. Yes, take the screenshot. Don't sit to write now. You won't get time to write now.
Yes, sir.
Is it taken?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Beta, before taking screenshot, let me ask you one thing. Beta, can you understand my handwriting? Is it clear?
Yes,
See,
sir.
this is C, okay?
Yes, sir.
This is C. This is C and this is W. This is also C and this is W. Okay. Do you have any doubt in this? Any of the letters? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
So these are the, okay. Tell me, okay, if you have, while writing, if you have any problem to understand, at that time you have to say. When I am writing, at that time you have some doubt that what it is written. So on the spot you have to say. Don't say after writing. After writing also you can say no problem. But please do tell me if you don't understand my handwriting. Okay, then I will try to make some changes according to your understanding. Okay, and beta, they were allowed to, this is rent, okay. Once again I will write down. R-E-N-T, once again I will write down. Rent out. Once again, if you want to take, you can take screenshot, no problem. And this is H. Wait a minute. Now you can take. Once again you can take, no problem. Done?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, fine. Now asking all of your permission, can I rub this? Asking all of your
Yes,
permission.
sir.
Yes, sir. Rub.
Yes.
Okay, then don't tell me remaining or not remaining days that. And someone of you, please send me this screenshot. Okay, okay, I will say the name who will send me, because I will write down then. Okay, this Sarfaraj.
Yes, sir.
Send me this screenshot later. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After the class. Later means after the class. Okay, fine. So I am rubbing now. Now just give me few minutes to rub this. Then we can continue. What's the time, beta?
10:51.
Okay, so we have. Is the time up?
Yes, sir. Time over.
Yes,
Time over?
sir.
Okay, no problem. So now our next topic would be not topic, this is a subtopic. Topic is this only, that how did colonial rule affect the tribal lives. This is the topic, main topic. Now this was the first subtopic, these 3 points. Now second subtopic is what happened to shifting cultivators, then forest laws and their impact. Search for work and Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda. Everyone has done the activity. Have you started doing, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Or going to? Good. So tomorrow I will ask some of you to show the activity and homework worksheet also. So be ready, okay, tomorrow. Now let me take the attendance. So please be there. Don't leave the class. Some students are absent today. You don't know. Or there might be at least 14 to 15 were there. But today only 11 students are. Not 11, 10. Okay, Bhumi, Dharmanshi, Janvi, Kavya, Lisa, Neha, then Nishtha, Sarfaraj, Smith, Vanshi. Done. Okay, beta. I have taken the screenshot. So what's the homework? You already know. What is the homework? Yes, beta?
Which activity you are telling that you will see tomorrow?
that about Birsa Munda, that one. Okay.
Writing more details about activity
Means?
in this.
Yes, beta. What are you saying?
Sir, you said that you have one activity in this chapter.
Beta, I already gave you 2 activities, no? From this chapter.
Yes, sir.
So one more activity will be there that I will give after the chapter. Okay. If I can give, then I will give. Okay. Okay, fine. So
Sir,
that's
which
it.
activity you are telling that you will see tomorrow?
Means both. I want just both of your activities, the first and the second, both. From this chapter, how many I have given? Means both you have to just show me through camera. That's it. Okay. Only to students, those who I have, I will call the name. Only those students will show me. Okay. That's it. Now you can leave. Okay, beta. Thank
Bye,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome, beta. See you all in the next lecture. Take care. Have a nice day.